So this dog, Hans says, if he was going to war, would want her with. She's not big, obviously you can see, but you'll see in a second that she is a fierce warrior. A fierce warrior. She will not back down at anything, and she means it too. She tends to bump the owner a little bit because she wants to go, but she will not back down at anyone or anything. You can't hit her hard enough. She doesn't back down at anything.
Good girl. Yeah,
Oh, Chichka, little girl. She's an awesome dog. Comes from a great lineage.
Alright, that's good, man, I think.
And then watch, she'll be diffused with the "it's okay" command.
It's okay.
The owner is telling it's okay, it's okay.
It's okay.
That's just diffusing the mind.
Girl, what not? It's okay. That's my girl. It's okay.
It's okay. It's
See,
okay.
that dog only acted on command, not on her own.
Okay, girl.
We always want to film this part to show everyone that these are not mean dogs. They only act on command.
That's right, man. If you can get it.
And these dogs are built on defense for everyday life.
Green, yeah, absolutely.
They're not for sport.